As a military spouse, you've done things you never thought you were capable of, and done them well. And you have dreams. You may think you need to put those dreams on hold, but you don't. That's why Southern New Hampshire University partners with Operation Homefront to help you realize those dreams and aspirations, the ones that can be obtained through education. Operation Homefront's mission is to build strong, stable, and secure military families. Together, we share a goal of helping military families thrive. We joined forces in 2014 and have hosted Operation Homefront Celebrations for hundreds of military spouses each year nationwide. SNHU has also awarded full tuition scholarships at each event.
My name is Shelley Villa. I am a 2015 Southern New Hampshire University scholarship recipient. Southern New Hampshire University has been the best education experience that I have ever had.
But it doesn't take a scholarship for a military spouse to receive educational benefits at SNHU. Our mission is to make education accessible and affordable for everyone, and SNHU has one of the lowest online tuition rates in the country. If you're thinking it's not your time, think of all the incredible things you've already accomplished. At SNHU, we're here to support your education goals while you support the people that mean the most to you. Learn more at snhu.edu.